Almost every woman has owned that one pair of heels. You know the ones. They looked absolutely stunning in the store, but the moment you stepped outside, pain, regret, blisters, and a silent promise to never wear them again. If you've ever taken off your heels halfway through an event and walked home barefoot like a warrior who lost the battle, welcome, you're not alone. Today on Footwear Diaries, we're fixing that problem once and for all, because choosing heels isn't just about beauty, it's about comfort, confidence, balance, and knowing what works for your feet. So let's talk about how to choose the right heels, with smart tips, honest do's and don'ts, and the kind of advice your feet will thank you for later. The first rule: know your purpose. Before you even look at heel height, color, or style, ask yourself one simple question: where am I wearing these heels? Because heels for a wedding, a full workday, a night out, a casual brunch are not the same thing. If you're standing or walking for hours, ultra-thin stilettos might not be your best friend. But for a short dinner or photos, oh yes, bring the drama. Tip: always match the heel to the activity, not just the outfit. Heel height. Don't fall for the trap. Let's talk height, because this is where most mistakes happen. Higher doesn't always mean better. If you're new to heels, jumping straight into 4 or 5 inches is like learning to swim by diving into the ocean. Dangerous. Smart guideline: beginners 2 to 3 inches. Comfortable wearers 3 to 4 inches. Experienced heel lovers 4 inches and above. And here's the secret nobody tells you: a platform heel feels lower than it looks. A 5-inch heel with a platform can feel like a 3-inch heel without one. Magic! Do check the heel shape. Not all heels are created equal. Let's break it down. Block heels: stable, comfortable, perfect for long wear. Wedges: maximum support, great for beginners. Kitten heels: elegant, subtle, easy on the feet. Stilettos: sexy, powerful, but require balance and confidence. If you want comfort without sacrificing style, block heels are your safest bet. Don't ignore your foot type. This one is huge. Your feet matter. Wide feet, narrow feet, flat feet, high arches, these things affect how heels feel on you. Wide feet: avoid super narrow toe boxes. Flat feet: look for cushioned soles and ankle support. High arches: avoid extremely stiff soles.